a partner puts a force onto a bridge, whatever the force is. What I want you to do is get down onto the structure, and instead of doing the 3 transformations up through the partner's body, I just want you to get the mind out that way on an angle and just do the 3 transformations up and out instead of vertical. So as soon as the force comes in, feel the base, and then through the base, release the energies up. And all I'm doing, instead of transforming more through this line, I'm tilting it on that line. And as soon as you have that, then play the different angles, and you can wave the energy or hop the energy and take different mental patterns, but still take that same theme of 3 transformations. Now, as you put a different mental pattern into the energy, it's got to align to something within the person's subconscious. There has to be an existing pattern, and you're activating something that exists within them. And when you do 3 transformations on an existing pattern, it just amplifies and comes to the surface. And they'll act out that pattern, whatever it might be, whether it's laughter, feeling good, learning, or bouncing. If a person's done Aikido and you float them, they dive roll, and they can't help themselves. If they've done a traditional Tai Chi, they'll be doing the hopping thing across the room. So whatever pattern you sense within them, you just energize in 3 transformations on the pattern, and lean from a vertical 3 transformations to a diagonal, and then move it accordingly. And you'll find that most of the time when you're doing 3 transformations and you change the angle, it's more just vital and a little bit of astral, and the balance breaks. It's not a full transforming all the way up. And you'll see it within how the person's body reacts. If they have a gentle floating, oh geez, what's that? Then you're getting all the way through the bodies. But if there's a violent reaction, you're only getting to vital and a little bit of astral when you run the energy. It's not stretching all the way through. Okay, have a play.